Hakuna Matata, my country people. I turn a big salute for outside here. You feel call me Michael. Call me Congo Saman. I don't come again for bringing a one or two updates for talk about things that happen for inside this week country. For that side, for inside we division. Inhabitants for that side, don't talk say that kaku we pa tango. When I head boy for that humanitarian program where Papa Popo he launch they no go take that mattress them, soap, toilet roll, all that kako. So other people say they no go burn my Okada. Me I can begin take mattress. I get mattress to my bed. We will check out the to carry una go down for that side for Nigeria for talk about Cameroonian refugees. They will flop for that side for different states for Nigeria. Aya Abine Foundation it do fine work for go get a parents small rice and gari for say me the control for manage their own life. Even though Nigerian government too with the people for that side for America, they join smoke together for make sure me that parent to don't like the one for chop. We go visit that side them, even transport them for that side from Gaunde Garwa them. They don't vex. Price for 1 ton kako will be at 10,000. It could be in between 12,000 to 16,000. Why? For Sikashe, Kitu. But get there for corner road. Broadway don't spoil, it make they don't fit chop again. They only work now for population. From that side, SDF say they so much passing. When governor says they no go march, them say this time around they go must march, even though POC be holds on Dongame for this side for littoral. For talk about how thing the way he get for Duam and thing where he need for semi Cameroon, he work a fine for go take 30 years for a month for talk about all the one them. For that time for Gabon, we go reach for that market for Bitam. When you go for there, you go check out so you didn't for Marché Central or you did for Marché Kululu or you did for that time for Marché Dakar. Because all things are the very way they sell over here, and now we brought it for that side for Bitam market, for that side for Gabon, even for that side for Senegal to Palavativ, we go Mochakaram, Kaji de Foso, he don't sleep till like a ruler. Countryman. 30 days. As I come back, we enter first at Tori proper. For Chakara Tori this afternoon, people will talk about terrible things. As I just start for Chakara na Tori say this, so population for that side, people for that side for Kumbu, this afternoon they don't tell Ogaji or say them. They not go take all that mattress them, they not go take all that kako them way. Papa Tango, he don't say that for saying the demand of people they be burn the house them, even though some few people they become other people talk say this, so they be burn my Okada, you know one give me this kind one, they be burn my the one, I give me a rice, I give me the one, I get chop for farm all the one. But any idea would they come back for that Tori for 8 o'clock for big Tori time, for Chakara on the Tori for proper for England you wanna see how the thing it happened for that side for inside division and even thing way Ogadio used to say he go open him up Chakara Tori, how people then talk to this so thing when they want that I say me the problem where they go on me be solved for say me oh man he continue for becoming chop for a house as they do. But we take una go and this time around for that side for Nigeria for talk about Palava no say this so we brother them especially people they come for inside malnutrition for that side of man for them. They don't run go turn refugees them for that side for Nigeria. Time we gone in the turn Hala way some Bungosa in the secret. See how they find Palava Savon for that side fight no chop. Because when they say oh someone don't say one carton Savon anybody say if you don't get power
Anglophone
you don't go fit take even a one Savon.
In Nigeria
oh but it's something
for supplies.
The
struggle
fight on
is
top one
real
Savon
here
there I don't know
in
if
this
carry
refugee
wound
camp in the
say we go
Taraba
and
state
they
in
for that side
Nigeria.
place where they for
These
Wasapita
Anglophone
we know they for them
fled
money
villages
for
and
break
towns
this
in
moment even
Cameroon
though
following
people for that
the
side with
escalation
with
of
people from
violence
Nigeria they
in the
join small
two
together for the
English-speaking
help them
regions
one
of the
time
country.
but you know be
At
it
least
for
40,000
thousands of
refugees
people them way
are now
they for that
seeking
side for
refuge
inside
in
country even
different
though
states in
I
Nigeria.
been it is so
From
they
the
don't get their
refugee
own small
camp in
foundation they work
Taraba
help
to
people
Cross
them
River
for
State,
northwest and south
Benue
work even
and
the other
Akwa
they go
Ibom,
for orphanage
the
them
problem
but
of
they
the
be land for
refugees
that
is the
side look
same.
too small
The
to go
lack
for health
of
center
healthcare,
yeah for that type
food,
of doctor
and
say
all the
una
basic
the one
needs.
they need for people need the medicine una give for them all the one they reduce una say the hell of brother for that time even though sometimes they carry some go they carry so how you like say this chop e come on brother for go na say in na go na them you no go gree for take for them they believe say so na go na e don drive them out of their land with the waste so me dey trouble solve the problem for say Allah them too
40,000 Cameroonian
they fit come back for
refugees.
their country
Teenage
live for
pregnancy
better
is
way
now
small
the
money for
order
that
of the
side
day.
on the
The
body
Aya
of
Foundation, a
avoid na
Cameroonian
overcall on
philanthropic
already do it
organization
now on the small
aware
pumpkin
of this
the
peril, and they
certificate
have
when the pikin
limited
nation, if
access
when they walk
to
up of
food
Cameroon,
and
the
other
certificate they will bring them
basic
back for country
sanitation
and only
needs.
picking them. See, understand?
Disease is now
Oh,
the
nine
order
this.
of the day.
Now the thing
The
where you
Aya
give me,
Foundation, a
Papa.
Cameroonian
Nine
philanthropic
days will they bring
organization
and so now
aware
here where they
of
go
these
bring us for
problems,
this side for
has
take
braved the
time talk
tides of
about
the sea,
how we brought them way
seven
they different and
martyrs,
suffer. So we
to
will
keep
thank
them
this foundation
alive
for the better
while
one with them
waiting
too.
for the
They do am for
resolution of the
inside this one.
crisis.
More come on for that side for
At these
Nigeria.
health
That the back
center-
ride and that Ugari where they don't go for go help say we can chop now about 5 times that way they make that worker. So go get even though plenty people they just say when you carry kako you want go that side go na the same gang you go. But I been the same gang that one are fake. When you go with kako they go get but SGF too pani journey full no say kako be allowed for that baminda. Say it so go na I don't deny the authorization for go for that side go get chop for people. SGF pa Osi, no na chop chia for that side for pani journey full for Palava SGF party where you dey so even though Tori the worker say they so they don't say the line go na say X say they no go match them two they say match passing e go take side happen for inside side even though last time when they wan comot match Kitu they be block all side say oh no match passing no dey for match to Palava peace who other one dem but this Dongame wey be the pass for Douala here e be na for Palava the one wey dey call am say wetin be the things dem wey dey so they go do am. We SDF party, as per Osi, what you don't write and what be plan of action and what you think they go do for semi Cameroon, waka fine for the big long book way write time for send for that side for Cameroon for that side for Gomna. May we ask per Osi make it tell you what be the things the way go do. I don't hear for my mom. First of all, I hear for mom direct. How he say no one and they get for lockdown school. He say they so president man they were there for 7 years, get for calm down for 5 years. All that one there, pa Chakara with the Torimu here.
We will introduce a universal health insurance that will cover Cameroonian families up to the tune of 500,000 francs against a fee of 1,000 francs per month and per person. We'll introduce school scholarships again for those children coming from families that have the biggest economic difficulties. We will introduce a effective free, but mandatory education in the public schools in Cameroon up to the first cycle of secondary schooling. We'll introduce an education program 2.0 to develop infrastructure as well as the IT capacity in our educational system. We will immediately close the school called Inam. We will stop all fixed police barriers all over the national territory.
So yes, gold it gives more money for country. But now what will be the effect? Grass never grow fine because they take ground turn and left and right, destroy water, all that one and cow they for inside hole. Governor too, he don't enter inside the arrangement. Say all the one he gave for Mokanduha. Stop. If man want dig gold, as you dig am, be ready for do it for lock cover back that hole because when you dig and leave am open, na big danger for small animal they work for that time because when they work enter inside that hole, they don't feel come out again, they don't be blocked. So all that one, you don't turn, it be a big trouble for that side. So out and see how put the jiggle, even water around the short na short. Governor too talk to this so Kashingo, he don't prepare himself and the kind catching way they go get for people them for this kind whole work way they do them for that side for we call this so for destroy other ground them. We coming for that side, so Master Jean Fanjo and I hit the press button this afternoon for someone to see my eye. We remain from Gaoundéré for talk about transporters. They don't hold their big meetings.
Les transporteurs routiers relèvent les tarifs de l'acheminement des marchandises par tonne au départ de la plateforme terrestre de Gaoundéré. Réunis ce 23 août dans les locaux du groupement des transporteurs terrestres du Cameroun, ils ont réexaminé la situation et adopté une hausse de 2 à 6 000 francs CFA selon les itinéraires pour, disent-ils, sauver la profession qui a vu ces derniers temps une baisse de rentabilité.
Le coût du transport pour acheminer une marchandise de Gaoundéré pour Garoua, on payait une tonne à 10 000 francs. Je prends le bas prix. Mais aujourd'hui, nous avons proposé ensemble avec les transporteurs et les commerçants, y compris, on avons proposé 14 000 francs pour amener une tonne de marchandises dans la région du Nord à Garoua. Donc, et pour comprendre, ce 14 000 n'atteignent même pas le prix homologué par l'État.
Ce sont toutefois les transporteurs qui ont unilatéralement violé la grille des tarifs homologués par l'État, au point où les prix du transport ont baissé de l'ordre de 30% en 5 ans.
Nous avons vu du feu en réalité. Nous avons vu du feu parce qu'on voit flou. Et il fallait absolument relever ce prix pour nous permettre de joindre les deux bouts.
À l'opposé, le prix du carburant a augmenté de 10,5 points à la pompe. Les routes dégradées dans cette partie du pays obligent des rallonges des coûts et délais de transport.
Nous avons les problèmes des routes entre Gaoundéré et Garoua. Nous avons les problèmes des routes entre Mora et Maroua. Et aujourd'hui, c'est un calvaire. Nous faisons plus dans le social pour desservir les régions sœurs, qui sont les régions du nord et celles de l'extrême nord. Mais aussi, il faut comprendre, les barrières sont énormes. C'est que les policiers et les gendarmes sont plus pires que les coupeurs de route.
Le nouveau tarifaire devrait donc entrer en...
Perception municipale de Douala. Décelée sur les poignées des portes du receveur municipal. Les raisons de cet acte, posé par le premier magistrat de la ville de Douala, sont placardées sur le côté droit de l'entrée principale. Une approche qui, pour certains, pose un parallélisme de forme, d'où l'intérêt à connaître le rôle dévolu à chacun.
Le délégué du gouvernement
Minister of Territorial Administration and then they join together plus Prime Minister for see who will be for the same minister because all that children go back from government house.
Le rôle du délégué,
depuis le mois de février 2018, par souci de nécessité de services et de préservation de l'équité de la fortune publique, selon la circulaire numéro 004/Premier ministre du 12 novembre 2017, Fritz Tonnet, délégué du gouvernement, affirme hors caméra s'être conformé aux mesures conservatoires conformément aux dispositions de la circulaire du Premier ministre, d'où la décision. Une démarche qui ne pose pas l'assentiment de plusieurs selon les textes de loi.
Il est strictement clair qu'un fonctionnaire est mis à retraite une fois qu'il atteint l'âge pour constater la vacance de sa retraite.
More content now when I tell you this time around, Master Jean Fanjo, as you come for that side, we'll carry on a go time for that side for West Region. Precisely for football way, so cement camp, you don't get new picking. I need new picking.
L'industrie camerounaise prend son envol à travers la valorisation de ses matières premières. La société de cimenterie du Cameroun, en abrégé Cimencam, constitue un exemple au regard de la volonté de ses dirigeants et de par ses actions citoyennes. Cette entreprise, chaque jour, concentre d'énormes efforts pour améliorer la compétitivité du tissu industriel camerounais. Ernest Kouabobo, ministre des Mines, de l'Industrie et du Développement technologique, vient d'inaugurer et visiter la carrière de Pouzolan de Cimencam à Fumol. Une action couplée au règlement des indemnisations des populations concernées dans le périmètre de cette carrière à hauteur de près de 250 millions de francs CFA. Cette carrière s'étend sur 42 hectares, soit 12 millions de tonnes, qui représentent une réserve d'environ 50 ans.
Est en train de construire une nouvelle usine.
We come for that side for football, so Master Jean Fanjo. Carry me this time around. Carry una go for that side for Gabon. You know the market for Bitam, eh? Bitter market for that side for Gabon. When you reach for it, you see tomatoes, see pepper, cabbage, all the things are very clean. And you see for that side on a coming to the seller, man. You want to go for burning fish, you need the lap. Hairdressing, that's all Cameroon. Oh, this all Cameroon. Oh, cricket, na Cameroon. Then you go ballet, even block all things they can't carry for here. Go to that side, they say when you carry them, so they make small profit pass as they sell on this side. So they manage even though for that type of Gabon, sometimes there's small discrimination in there, but if not, they live for there in peace like they so they didn't have their own country proper, even though they did for that side. Now only for finding one of the call and say to you, true. I say even this, you turn one castle, you win 10,000, you put the 10,000 on top. They do all for it. So when you turn up, they put the say so as they live on that side, you like say they're not there now out of Cameroon. Most people will get all the good if they take anyone in Manchester sometimes, oh boy, stay okay. They want that side for Gabon for Peter Market and one and the same way and one and born on all kinds of side and all the things the same way, you don't be like no, you don't time we just more people for that side. You also remember that side for talk about the
L'annonce du décès du patriarche Joseph Kadi de Foto est tombée ce jeudi matin comme un couperet, plongeant de nombreux esprits dans une forte émotion, le doute, enfin dans la consternation dès que la triste nouvelle a été confirmée par sa famille quelques heures après. À 95 ans, le jour de sa mort, cet homme d'affaires, un des pionniers des opérateurs économiques camerounais, a imprimé son empreinte dans divers secteurs, du petit commerce à l'industrie, en passant par la construction et l'exploitation des salles de cinéma, une brasserie qui a pignon sur rue, les assurances, l'hôtellerie, l'immobilier. Cerise sur le gâteau, le père Kaji a mis sur pied la fondation. L'homme a patiemment tracé son sillon dans l'excellence et promouvoir l'éducation étrangère, dont les Français, les Grecs et les Libano-Syriens. Il aura été parmi les premiers Camerounais à siéger à la Chambre de commerce. Quelque peu discret, mais c'est l'imposant mairie de Bana qui aura coûté la rondelette somme de plus de 800 millions de francs CFA. Fervent militant du R. Kadi de Fosso laisse à la postérité un immense empire économique. Il aura inspiré de nombreux autres opérateurs qui reconnaissent en lui un bâtisseur. Aux grands hommes, la patrie reconnaissante. À ce titre, le gouvernement camerounais lui a...
Oh boy, this boy named Amadou, he no go thief one goat. Na expert for thief goat. Thief 4 goat at one time. See, after when they catch you, beat them well. Then after now, they do it, they say, hang there, hold your goat, then they take you picture. You find them, they show you for television, maybe people they see your eyes more. And how you do thief goat when they come? Tie you don't tie a goat and go put them for any time. If you know say this, so you get for command. When they come for you, tie a goat him up. Say don't tie him up. Tie him up. Tie him food them. Then join and now you do it. You hang up. Time when the first beat you fight to say wallahi tara. Me I no go thief goat again. I no go thief goat at all. I don't thief. I don't see today the same guy. You so you must go for Kitu place, receive small casting go for that side for talk about palava thief where they so people and young boys see young boy them where they so for the work help themselves instead they look and say so many they don't go take the one they go do carry them go do it begin drink small mulu work out and for outside any other man when they come back for doing a more update for that one but more carry una go and this time around for this play the call and security Christ Embassy for that side for Bamenda it don't create that is some strategic training program for educate youth them as they be prepared for go back for school, even marry woman them, for give them orientation for life, because when they touch anything at church, they don't know the owner gonna go pray and make out. No, then church to get for the hell people for that side. Jam bring email for that side for Christ Embassy. How then too they did not do gamen yesterday. It be start for the prayer the content yesterday for Boya for 8 o'clock for that side for support for beside Bokom for support the way. So the program in hapu fine for that side, but for this side for Christ Embassy for Bamenda for beside for below PCSS for Aziri for that side. This Ndongamen it go to happen as from tomorrow Sunday. And for 12 o'clock, people for Bamenda, and for Bamenda, it go there plus musical concert for that side for Bamenda. And this musical concert, it go there after the program. Directors, they don't finish educate you, them, train them, tell them how they feel do for life, how they feel manage their life, how they feel manage to do teenagers, how they feel manage to do palava, all that one for give them life, midlife, get an orientation for that side for Bamenda. For this side, for Douala, the very program go the whole, for this side for Christ Embassy, for Derrière Immeuble Soka, for number 27 day, when I'm Monday, total for the moon way, we did it so for August. But from that side, as we come out for this palaver for Christ Embassy, Jean Fanjo carry with this time around, we'll go for that side for Susa. Live bilingual nursing and primary school for that side for Susa. New school with Deeper Life Church, it don't decide for say make it help people for Susa. Susa people, when I get good news, now the second year this, Master Jean Fanjo
live bilingual is the light of Susa.
For Susa, that live bilingual nursing and primary school for that side for Susa. This school, nyang, penya, classroom nandole, and they don't even dig for us. Give for people for that side for society when I can carry fine water. You give small money, they give a picking uniform, give even shoe them. Then school bus too, you know, like you see classroom alternate for that and penya for that side. Classroom they like say na secondary school, but this school no be secondary school. Na nursery school and a primary for that side. And even though their school fees for that side, oh boy, na injinjiri money, so any man for that side for Susan, you feel run. Go put your picking for that side, better teacher than they for that side educate picking them. Then even the one with the record and say what you. They go even give them to small palaver God. Forgive to picking, make them picking, it grow, making know say God, it exists, and how he get for do for manage his own day-to-day life for that side. School fees, Nigerian money. Call that number now, boy. I said the school fee, Nigerian money, that's all for that side for people for Susa. Even though people for Susa, for pay school fees too, now so you see picking for class 5, but school fees for class 3, say never fair finish them. All that one, they say now charity work with the struggle for doing for that side to control. We will ask Madam them. I say, when I say live bilingual, now we
live bilingual is the light of Susa. Live bilingual is the light of Susa. Live bilingual is the light of Susa. Live bilingual is the light of Susa.
I don't hear no. Well, I said I don't hear. I don't hear. Any other countryman that is small today will get them for that today. Tomorrow, na another day, we'll reach Chakara Tori. The one that they call and this time around are contributing. From 10 to take reach for 11:30. We go Chakara Tori for all the things we don't talk and since Monday take carriage today for some she don't discuss and one or two and therefore our free contribute for some meeting to happen for better way. Anything that happen for your quarter, your village, if you call for the thing number way, Jean in the struggle for put up for under screen for that side. Inform we so that we too will struggle for see how we go inform now for better way. But image for that thing way pass or come way inhabit and they no go take all that cack or that rice them way they so go now it don't stand for them for that side. Say they so how they go burn my Okada them when I tell you 8 o'clock for big news. We not go see them for better way. I don't go.